Today we're going to tackle oil leaks. When your KitchenAid mixer has an oil leak, it typically means that air has gotten in between the gasket and caused the grease to denature. Today I'm going to show you what we do here at GForce Electric to fix this common problem. First, we need to remove the drip pan or drip ring, which is what collects any denatured oil. Next, we need to take out this retention pin with this punch tool by tapping it out. After that, we're going to remove these screws around the rim by first taking off the planetary. As you can see, there's a lot of grease and oil that has accumulated in there and all along the inside rim. After we finish with the screws, we remove the back tray, which is where the motor and the power control are located. Make sure the unit is unplugged anytime you handle the motor, because there is constant current running through it and you can get quite a shock and ruin it. Now we're going to remove the accent ring, which displays the model number, and you can see oil has accumulated along here and around the unit as well. To remove the head, we need to take out a few more screws under here and on the back. Notice the difference between the screws to hold the base and the one for the planetary ring. Now we can pop off the top by separating it with a screwdriver. The reason the grease starts breaking down is because the gasket allows air to get in. So that needs to be removed along with all the old grease and oil. Now we get started with the messy process. After getting the bulk of it out, you want to get in with a thin tool to get a detailed cleaning of the gears. Any debris left behind can cause serious damage to gearing. If you want to see how we clean up the rest of it and put it back together, check us out next week when we reassemble the mixer. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. If you want to see more videos like this, comment down below and give us your suggestions. At GForce Electric, we take your input very seriously. Please subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and come visit our store if you have any more questions. Our information is linked below.